Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will help how to study in final year full guide. Start by mapping out remaining course requirements and deadlines, then prioritize high credit and high impact assessments. Break large projects into weekly tasks and set realistic daily study blocks. Use active recall and spaced repetition for exams, and practice past papers under timed conditions. Make room for rest, social support, and simple rewards to sustain momentum. Stay flexible and adjust plans when needed. Plan weekly themes for subjects and assign time blocks for focused study, then protect these blocks from distractions. Use a timer for 50-minute sessions with 10-minute breaks and log progress each day. Tackle hardest topics when alert, and batch low-energy tasks like emails or admin into short slots. Review your plan every Sunday night and shift tasks based on feedback from practice tests and assignment progress. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Quick recommendation: if you want easy meal prep, try the leak-proof containers I use for packed lunches and study snacks. They seal tight, stack neatly, and save time between study sessions. I often pack smoothies and salads for long study days. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus study sessions on active methods. Teach concepts aloud, create flashcards, and solve problems rather than rereading notes. Mix interleaved practice across topics and use spaced reviews to move material into long-term memory. Form a small study group for critique and accountability, and record 1 or 2 teaching videos to test understanding. Keep concise cheat sheets for last-minute review and simulate exam conditions weekly for performance gains. Adjust methods based on what actually improves scores.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.